Kayla, be nice. Oh, Kayla, be nice. Uh-oh. Sophia's trying to get out of the pack and play. There's not much room in here. We just put you in for a second. We just put you in for a second so you could change your pants. Right, Caleb? Huh? Right? She doesn't want to play with you, Caleb. She's in a bad mood. Caleb, she's in a bad mood.